Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we are going to repair this 32-inch assembled LED TV that came with a picture freezing problem. As we have discussed in many of our previous videos, this type of fault is usually caused by an internal short circuit in the Vgh vgh and Vgh vgh signal lines inside the LCD panel. This issue is commonly found in both LG and AUO panels. In this TV, an LG panel is installed. Here you can see the T-con board, where the panel gate signal voltages are generated. During troubleshooting, I checked the Vgh vgh and Vgh even test points with a multimeter and carefully observed the display behavior. I found that the Vgh even line was internally shorted with the VGL line through the Vgh vgh circuit, causing the gate driver voltages to become unstable. As a result, the panel was unable to scan the image correctly, which caused the picture to freeze. To restore the display, the first step was to isolate the faulty gate signal lines by cutting the Vgh vgh and Vgh even tracks, preventing the faulty pulsing voltages from entering the panel through the Levelshifter IC. After isolating the shorted lines, I bypassed the Vgh voltage directly to the Vgh vgh test point, allowing the remaining healthy gate drivers to operate normally. As you can see, the picture immediately returned, and the TV started displaying a stable image without freezing. However, it is very important to understand that this is only a temporary repair method, not a permanent solution. Since the fault exists inside the LCD panel itself, the only permanent repair is complete panel replacement. The lifespan of this repair cannot be guaranteed, as it completely depends on the severity of the internal panel damage and how the TV is used. Some panels may continue working for a long time, while others may fail again after a short period. If you found this repair video helpful and learned something new, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Electropixels. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.